Running promotions on Takealot is probably the biggest opportunity there is in 2026 to grow your Takealot account. So what we've done at TSeller is build an auto promotions tool that allows you to enter into promotions automatically for your Takealot store. I'll be breaking down step by step how the promotion tool works and how to use it to the best of your ability to scale your account. So this is probably the feature on TSeller which I'm most excited about. So for the last 5 promotions that we've entered into, we've generated a total of 252,000 Rand worth of revenue from promotions only. Back in the day, you had to go to Takealot, look at a promotion manually, see if your products are eligible to be applied into that campaign, into that category, then look at the rules, then take an Excel sheet, edit the sheet, then upload it back to Takealot. We've automated the whole process. You're going to click on the promotion. It's going to show you exactly what products are eligible, what products are not, create the file for you, help you with your pricing, then upload it to Takealot. That is what the auto promotion feature is going to be doing. So without wasting any time, let's get into the feature because I'm really, really excited about it. So the first thing we're going to do is open up TSeller on the web. So just search tseller.co.za, use your same login details as your mobile phone, and then log in. On the left-hand sidebar, we're going to click on auto promotions. So on auto promotions, there's a couple of things that we can view straight away. So we have a performance overview where we can see our total revenue, our total sales, how many units and how many campaigns we've actually entered into. Then we have quick actions where we can see upcoming promotions, templated application, promotion application, and then promotion results, and then a how-to guide where you will get access to this video you're watching right now. So let's start off with upcoming promotions. Upcoming promotions is all of the promotions that you're able to see on Takealot straight pulled into TSeller. So you can see the title of the promotion. You can see the statuses at the top. You have open promotions, you have closed promotions, you have expired, and you have live promotions. So an open promotion means you can still apply into the promotion. A closed promotion means the closing date has been reached and you can't be applying anymore. Expired means the campaign is done, and live means the campaign is currently running on Takealot. Then we have the name of the campaign at the top, and then we have the status, and then we can click on view details. The little green at the bottom left shows you how many categories are applying for this promotion. So if I click on view details, I can see the promotion rules. I can see it's in stock only. It's a minimum of 3 sales in a 30-day period, a minimum of 3.7 stars, and a category match. So these are the eligible categories. So if your products are in one of these categories, then you will automatically be able to apply for this promotion. Going back out, we have templated applications. So a templated application means this will formulate a file that you can upload into a promotion based on smart filters. So a smart filters that we have on TSeller is overstock. So items with more than 30 days stock cover, which means TSeller will identify them and give it to you so that you can enter it into a promotion to then sell it out quickly. You have high fees. So if it's charging high storage fees, we have best seller. So if you want to boost your products even more, you can do that. Most wanted is items with the largest amount of page views from your catalog. And then new product launches is any product that's been added in the last 45 days. Then we have promotion results where we can see all of the promotions that we have entered into and then also see the results that we have gotten from it. So if I click on the drop down, it will give me a breakdown of what exactly sold, how many units, and so on. So let's start off with upcoming promotions. You don't know if your product is eligible to sell in this promotion. Well, we've fixed that. Click on view details. You don't have to guess, is my product eligible or is it not? Scroll down, click on apply. TSeller will check it and it automatically gives you the product that is eligible for that promotion. So as you can see, we have one item that is eligible to be entered into this flash sale starting the 31st of March. If I go to another campaign quickly, Wine Not Wednesday. I know for a fact that my products are not in this category, but let's say you don't. Click on apply. TSeller will show no offers found. There's no offers eligible. to be enabled into this campaign. TSeller will also go through the rules. So in stock only, minimum 3 sales in 30 days. So it'll check your offers to make sure it matches that. It also checks your reviews to make sure that you're matching the review requirements, and then also the category match, which is the most important one from all of them. So let's go to deals we love, because I can see this one is still open. I can still enter till the 20th of March. And then this one has 180 different categories that I can enter into. So that means all categories on Takealot. So I'm going to click on view details. Those are the rules. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on apply. So this is now going to check for me what products are eligible to be included into this promotion. So now I see a list of all the products that can enter into this promotion. So you can look at overstock, you can look at which ones have storage fees, or you can just look at all. So what you're now going to do is you're going to select the products that you want to enter into this promotion. I mean, you know your products best. So you don't have to apply with all of them. You can select individually. So I'm going to select this product. I am going to select this product. Then I'm going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you get to the next step. So this whole process is now generating our file that we're going to upload to Takealot. Then we have our current selling price, and we have our promotion price. Then we have the how many units we have in stock, and then our promotion quantity. We know that this is the rules for the promotion right here. So we can allow lead time and we can allow incoming stock. So we can tick both of those. What we're going to do then is we need to select a promotion price. So we have a bulk discount right here, which you can click and it will automatically deduct that amount. And then on the right-hand side, you also have a cost breakdown. So when you are dropping your price by 5%, this is what your breakdown for your fees are like. So my product cost stays the same. My additional costs stay the same. My Takealot fees drop because obviously my selling price is dropping, and then my selling price is dropping, which drops my margin as well. So I can see 20% margin if I drop 5%. So that means I can go even down 10%. I'm still left with 16%. So this will help you calculate your profit effectively and make sure that you're not underselling your product and selling it at a loss. So I'm happy with 10% on both of these products. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on continue. I am happy with allowing lead time and I am allowing in stock. So I'm going to click on continue. Now, another thing to note, and the system will tell you this, promotion quantity can't be lower than 5 items on Takealot. So if you make it lower than 5, the system will give you the error. You can still continue, but your products will get rejected on Takealot. So what I suggest is look at the errors and then fix what you need to fix. So we know it's a minimum of 5 units, and the promotion minimum value, it says it right here for you, is 6,000 Rand. So if you are selling an item for 100 Rand and you only have 10 of them, it won't be enough to make up the value. So it will give you the error as well. Then the next step is I'm going to click on continue. So what you can do now is click on open Takealot promotion. It's going to take you straight into Takealot where you need to upload this file and then also download the promotion application, and do not rename the file. That's very important. So click on open Takealot page. That's going to take you there. And then we will just upload our file, which you'll see in the next step. So it's opened the page now on Takealot where we need to upload that promotion template that we just created. So you can read the rules again here. You can look at all the categories, the promotion. There are currently no offers available because we haven't uploaded anything. So the next thing you're going to do is click on upload bulk offers, choose the file, and then drag it in. Click your template, click on open, and then click on submit. I'm not going to do this now because I'm just demonstrating. I don't want to enter into the promotion. You're going to click on submit. Once you have clicked on submit, you're going to go back and you're going to click on view bulk results, and then you can view it right there and it will show you what products are accepted and what products are rejected. And that's basically how you enter into the promotion. TSeller does everything for you. Just put in your promotion price and upload the file. But now let's go back to TSeller. And then let's look at the additional features that we have, such as a templated application. So let's click on templates. Now let's look at overstocked items. Click on filter and apply promotion. So these are now everything that is overstocked on my Takealot account. You guys will see the flow is the same. So this is not going into a particular campaign now or a specific campaign. You would need to manually go and take this and apply into that campaign. So these are just overstocked items. So if you know, okay, I want to sell this out quickly, let me find a campaign that has all categories, such as the one we just entered. You can just generate this file, how it is. It works on the exact same principle, allow lead time, allow incoming stock. And let me just explain this as well. If you allow incoming stock, my quantity is 23, but let's say I only had 20 in the DC. I want to sell 23 in the promotion. I would need to allow incoming stock so that when I send that additional 3 units, that Takealot takes it and puts it into the promotion. Lead time is I have 1 in stock. I want to enter 10 into the promotion, but I don't want to send the 10 to Takealot. Then Takealot will allow a lead time order to be a part of the promotion. It is important to read the rules because sometimes certain campaigns don't allow lead time. So this is the same process as before. You're going to click on continue. There we go. Warning comes up. Some offers has no discount. Some offers the value is not enough. So right there we can see the promotion value is under. So we would need to increase the quantity. And then obviously I didn't give any discount, but you can manually edit the discounts as well and change the price how you want. That is basically the templates of promotions. And we have the normal promotion application. So promotion application is just where you generate the file. So there's no checking if you're eligible to sell. There is no templates. It's just you clicking on it, seeing every single product on your Takealot account and manually selecting the offers that you want to include. So I'm going to click on continue. It's the exact same process. There's just no qualification of the offers and there's no templated designs so that it is easier for you. So if you want to manually do it yourself and have full control over everything, you're going to do the promotion application step yourself. And then also if you scroll down, it will show you your sales at the bottom of the page for every single item that I've sold in a campaign before and in a promotion. And that's basically the promotion feature. This is probably the best feature if you want to grow your Takealot account. So many people are sleeping on promotions. It's actually crazy how many people don't even know how to do this. And because it was a tedious process before, a lot of people didn't apply for promotions. But I mean, I've just made this video in 15 minutes explaining step by step what I'm doing. While explaining, it still took me less than 15 minutes. I would say if I do this on my own, it will take me 5 to 10 minutes to quickly do this, and I can enter into promotion. So the insane amount of traffic that these promotions get is so worth it for such a little amount of time that you have to spend. Just watch the video, learn it. Once you've learned it once, you can constantly apply into every single promotion. I mean, 252K worth of revenue that we've generated from promotions is money that we wouldn't have made if we didn't apply into them. So I really hope you guys use this feature because it can help your Takealot account so much. And if you guys want to, please click on the subscribe button and then check out the rest of our videos so that you know how to use TSeller effectively and let it help you make your Takealot account better. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope to see you guys in the next one as well.